Okay, well, the workshop cleanup is underway, but it's got a long way to go. That table saw needs to be uncovered. That jointer sitting behind the table saw, I need to create a stand for. The stand that housed my previous jointer and planer is too small for that thing. That's a 10-inch, and I had a 6-inch, and there's no way it'll fit. The mini split system needs to be installed, and junk just needs to be cleaned up. Well, in that vein, I ran into a problem. I apparently don't. I did this to myself. The storage bag I've been using is too small, so that's going to stay. After my Black & Decker failed, I got myself a Chicago Electric 4.5-inch. And if you can see that, 5-amp angle grinder. While trying to clean things up in here, what I couldn't find, I've got the angle grinder, got the cutoff wheels, got a bunch of cutoff wheels, Harbor Freight, a long time ago. I've got the stripper disc, a couple of flap wheels, and an abrasive disc. The stuff you should have for an angle grinder. What I don't see here is the pin wrench to remove the various wheels and the side handle. Thought I lost them, so I priced up the replacements, and it was just cheap enough that I'd be just as good off, well, going and buying a new one. Well, guess what? Just when I gave up, I went to Harbor Freight and got myself a new one. Well, there's my angle grinder, there's my side handle, there's my pin wrench. Gonna bunch these back up and call them good, but I've got an idea because, well, the new one that I bought is a 7-amp, not a 5-amp, and I have run into more than one occasion where this just isn't powerful enough. Back into its old storage bag goes the angle grinder, the side handle. Pin wrench is in there. You're gonna have to take my word for it. It slid under here somehow. Nope, it's right here. Pin wrench, a flap wheel, and a couple of the cutoff wheels. This is going to be the when it breaks or I need to loan a tool. Well, another trip to Harbor Freight, I guess. I'm going to go ahead and keep this one. It's a 7-amp. I was considering getting the paddle trigger model, but I just couldn't justify the additional $15 for it. The more power I can definitely go for. The paddle trigger model is also a 7-amp motor, so it just didn't make any sense to me. Let's get this out of the box and see how it comes out of the box. Okay. Unfortunately, my pocket knife is in the house. So, owner's manual. The side handle, the pin wrench, and the grinder itself. The design of this grinder is almost identical to the Chicago Electric, but the build, the switch, the way it works, The pin lock, everything is much better made. Just hands down, the quality's 1,000 times better than the old ones. At least on the fit and finish, just the way it feels in the hand. We'll see how it goes once I start putting it to use. And here's another one of those Voyager 11-inch tool bags. I told you, I use a lot of these in my shop. Drops right in. Pin wrench, handle, plenty of room for the other stuff. That just clamps on. I'll put that on later. They also have a floor grinding dust extractor that I want to get for this, just because I actually have some spots on the concrete that I want to get knocked out. Now, just like the palm router and my palm sander, which are in these same bags, I need to get in here and just put down angle grinder. I went and dug up my silver Sharpie, and it's a regular size Sharpie. I need a fine point because the regular size is just, the writing is too chunky. So I need to go get a silver fine point Sharpie. So I need to make a trip to Office Depot. Thank you for watching my video. If you liked what you saw, please like, subscribe, and share my videos with your friends. Feel free to go back and check out the old stuff in the videos list. There's a lot of really interesting stuff back there. I hope you stick with me as we move forward with our adventures and our projects. And like I've said many times before, get out there, be productive, be safe, but most of all, be blessed. I'll talk to you later.